So my name is Rachel. I'm a mental health practitioner working for the Integrated Psychological Therapy Service in Haverfordwest. We are a psychological therapy service working in with the Welsh University Health Board, covering Pembrokeshire, Ceredigion and Carmarthenshire. Prior to lockdown and the pandemic, we were delivering our services via face-to-face means predominantly. As soon as the pandemic hit, then understandably we were restricted to what we could deliver and how we could deliver it. Consequently, we went into a level of no face-to-face contact, and everything with regards to clients was reviewed in terms of risk management, and then clients were contacted via telephone, sort of consultation, catch-up. Tried to do therapy, but delivering therapy via phone is very challenging, based on clients' body language and not being able to see it, so they can say a lot to you, but what's going on for them it can't be seen. And in terms of body language communication, then that means quite a lot to us as therapists. So that was initially, and then we were given the opportunity to pilot the Attend Anywhere platform, which obviously took us to a different level of being able to see our clients and interact with them in a very different way. Support is definitely been key. So we've had support from the Attend Anywhere transformation lead within Welsh, and also we've offered peer support, particularly my colleague and I, in terms of delivering the service and taking it forward. I guess the clients were a lot more open to it than maybe I myself personally give them credit for initially. I think that lockdown brought about a whole new world of digital technology moving forward. So you've got your pub quizzes and your Zoom sort of chats and family catch-ups, and those that were receptive to it kind of took to it, and those that didn't want it, then we give them the choice. Yeah, if you're on the waiting list, if you'd like to go ahead and have a go with this, then by all means we will support you with it, and if not, we understand. For us, it gave us a platform, pardon the pun, to enable us to communicate with our clients and to deliver the therapy that they're on the waiting list for and that they have been waiting for a while, and also allowed us to carry on and do our role. Personally, I would love to see it continue. A bit like the RSPCA say about puppies and they're not just for Christmas, and I'd like to think that the AA Attend Anywhere isn't just for COVID. I think it's a beautiful resource to have going forward in terms of offering the client choices, I guess, in which way they want therapy delivered. For us, working with clients with a level of anxiety, for example, then a lot of the groundwork could be done in their home environment where they feel more comfortable. So you could do that anxiety work remotely and then build up to bringing them out into the wider world.